Plants do more than share oxygen with us. They pulse with a subtle energy that often goes unnoticed. In this video, we journey through sacred gardens, modern laboratories, and the inner landscape of the human body to understand how vegetal bioenergy can influence each energetic center, the chakras. The Egyptians decorated temples with lotus blossoms, believing they were bridges to the divine. Ayurveda inhaled prana through aromas and herbal decoctions, while medieval monks cultivated rosemary and sage cloisters to sustain illumination of the soul. Today, biophotonics shows that every leaf emits faint photons linked to cellular processes, and modern sensors confirm frequencies that can interact with the human electromagnetic field. Touch a sprig of lavender. Volatile oils enter through skin and lungs, yet the bond is not purely chemical. The plant's microcurrents subtly alter membrane potentials in your skin. In the lab, these shifts appear as microvolt fluctuations. The crown chakra responds by reducing beta waves, signaling relaxation. Conversely, rosemary raises heart rhythm slightly, energizing the solar plexus. Cortisol reduction. Forest bathing studies show 30 minutes of exposure to phytoncides lowers stress hormones. Creativity boost. Patients in rooms with aromatic plants perform better on visual imagination tasks. Accessibility. A pot of basil costs little, yet emits a constant energetic field. Spiritual anchoring. Plant rituals set sensory anchors that reactivate calm when anxiety returns. Not everyone is sensitive to vegetal bioenergy. Expectation, really matters. Plant treatments, however, cannot replace medical therapy for endocrine disorders linked to chakra imbalance. Wilted plants emit disordered frequencies that may induce apathy, so their care is essential. And let's not forget about those uncertified aura meters. They exploit public fascination without robust evidence. In the morning, inhale deeply beside a mint pot to clear the throat chakra. At noon, rub a few drops of basil oil into the palms and focus on the solar plexus, feeling its warmth. Evening, burn white sage and let the smoke bathe the heart area, releasing accumulated worries. Weekends, walk barefoot in a conifer forest. Volatile molecules from the needles strengthen the root chakra, anchoring a sense of primordial safety. Plant bioenergy is a silent dialogue between the vegetal kingdom and the human subtle anatomy. Every leaf, blossom, or bark fragment becomes a microtransmitter that can soothe or energize, balance, or stimulate. Accept nature's invitation to recalibrate your energy centers. Observe, touch, smell, taste. Turn your home into a living laboratory, your garden into a temple of presence, and your daily walk into a ritual of returning to yourself. Kyoto University is currently analyzing variations in human electromagnetic fields after exposure to negative ions released by fern leaves. Preliminary results indicate a 12% increase in heart coherence. At the Fraunhofer Institute, infrared spectroscopy highlights the correlation between biophoton emission of aromatic plants and alpha wave shifts in the human cortex. Although exploratory, the convergence of neuroscience and botany opens new paths for future therapies. When was the last time you felt a subtle calming vibration while sitting near a plant? Which plants attract you instinctively, and which chakras might they influence? How would a week look if each day were marked by a different vegetal ritual? Your answers need no external validation. They guide your inner map toward balance. If you integrate even a single green habit into your routine, you will inevitably feel your energetic system settle into a discreet yet perceptible harmony. Peace in heart and clarity in mind.